Hello everyone, welcome to Utility Jude's ration size programmes. In these short films I'll be telling you all about food in Britain in World War II. Hello, so let's talk about the points ration food, the other form of food rationing during the war. We were trying to make and grow much more food ourselves in this country. We were still importing some food from countries far away. Now, this would be foods such as tinned food, tinned meat, tinned fish, tinned vegetables, tinned syrups like golden syrup or treacle. It would be dried food like lentils, breakfast cereals, porridge oats, biscuits, tinned fruit after 43 like tinned peaches. Now all these goods were coming from other countries, but the government didn't know how much of it they would have in. It might depend how many ships got through, how many ships might have been sunk by the German U-boats. So they couldn't put it on the usual ration. They couldn't say you could have a tin of meat every week or every month, or a tin of fish like pilchards or sardines every month. So what they gave us was points to use when we bought these items. And the points would stop people buying up too many tins, buying all the tins of meat so that there wasn't any for others. And each one of these points coupon food was given a number value, a points value. Now a tin of corned beef this week would use up 24 of your points coupons. A tin of treacle would use up 8 of your points coupons. A tin of third grade, the not so nice salmon, would use up 4 points. The really nice salmon is 32 points this week. A tin of peas, 4 points for a tin. You could also buy tin milk, condensed or evaporated. A tin of evaporated milk uses 6 points. Now, the government gave us 20 points. Sometimes it went as low as 16. And that would be for each person for a month. So I've got 20 points. My husband's got 20 points. So together our household would be allowed to use 40 points to buy the tinned and dried imported food. Unfortunately, all of these items I couldn't buy with our 40 points a month. I had to make a decision as which were more important to our family meals. Now, I definitely chose a tin of corned beef at 24 points per tin, because that will make at least 3 suppers for my husband and I. I also wanted to definitely choose a tin of salmon, because again that will make at least 2 more meals for us. Now, I also really wanted a tin of treacle. This helps to make my sugar go further. It's so sweet I can use it instead of sugar. That's 8 points a tin. So 24, 28, 36. Now I couldn't buy both of these and I've only got 4 points left. So I didn't buy the evaporated milk. I chose instead the tin of peas, which, as peas are not growing at this time of the year, make a nice change, and I can put in a meal and make a really nice supper. Now that's used up the whole of my husband and I's 40 points coupons for the whole of this month, and I will have to wait till next month to be able to buy any more tinned food. To begin with, my points coupon ration book was separate from my weekly ration book, and I would have coupons that would be cut out just like my other ration book. But later on in the war, both my points and my week's ration of my butter, my cheese, would all be in the same ration book, which made it a lot easier for me and shopkeepers too. Now in the next programme, I'm going to show you how the housewife made the best of the food she had available. See you later.